Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager. I am here with Dustin Swinneman, General Manager and Visionary behind the Torque line of product. This 350 is an all-new floor plan.
Yes.
Why are people going to be excited for this in 2021?
It's under 40 foot and it weighs about 13,200 pounds.
All right, let's get into it.
One of the big things with us is pass-through storage. You're going to see that we use a large door. Most of these guys in the industry are using smaller doors, so it's harder to put your coolers, chairs, anything like that just isn't going to fit in there.
They can run their wiring through here, so if they wanted, they would be able to mount a TV.
It's all ready to go
when they're ready for
Yep,
camp.
very easy. This is called our Tough Guard skirt. What this does, it goes down here, we bend it at a 90 for strength, and we enclose it all the way underneath to the frame. So this is completely enclosed. You're not going to have rodents, bees, road debris, stuff like that's not going to get caught up underneath there. Along with that, you've got the LP gas hookup right here. If you have a grill you want to bring along with you, you plug it in, you're ready to rock and roll. Solid steps are great. It's going to allow guys like you to step on this. There's going to be no flexing, no movement. You've got 2 exterior JBL speakers that sound awesome. And again, 2 more on the inside.
It's all standard.
It's all standard, yep. Along with the exterior awning here, it's 19 feet. We went after the lighter, brighter interiors on this. And you'll notice there's lots of windows all the way around this coach. A lot on the campground side, there's a lot on the outdoor side. And we're gonna have that cross-conversational seating, which you don't find in a lot of toy haulers out there. And that's something that people definitely like to have when they're entertaining.
And does this TV come?
TV is optional on tour. So, you know, if somebody wants to go out and get their own, no big deal. If not, we provide you with one. It's gonna have solid surface countertops, so a little bit nicer material than you see in a lot of units out there. A big kitchen sink, double bowls, plenty of room to wash dishes in here. Along with that, you're gonna have a large residential microwave. You don't see this in toy haulers in this price point. A 3-burner top oven with a glass top, and of course the oven underneath.
And then as far as the reefer?
So that is an option on this one. This is a 12 cube.
Okay.
Your standard is a 10-7, 12 volt.
So they will have the option of either the 10 or the 12.
Correct. We run the cabinets all the way to the top of the ceiling to give you about 15% more storage. And what's really nice about this one, it's got actually a small little pantry in here for more storage. This is an unobstructed 11'4" garage. 2 queen beds, washer dryer prep. It's all prepped for a TV. And along with that, you've got a nice top up here for storage. Everything's here that you need.
Based on this size, it will fit a 2-seater side-by-side.
Correct. One of the great things about this bedroom is tons of floor space. What makes this possible here is going to be this king tilt bed system. What this does is it completely tilts up the wall. It gives you an additional 18 inches of walking space in here. Lots of storage, small cubbies with USB ports and 110 plugins. Along with that, a full walk-in closet. Plenty of space, and there's actually 3 spots of storage on the inside. One of the unique features that we have in Torque is going to be our Swift Space workstation. This actually slides out and working remotely. This gives you your own workspace area.
When are these going to start shipping?
You're going to see these mid-February. If you want to find more information about it, be on our website, heartlandrvs.com, or contact your local dealer.